SMS metal detecting separator can detect various metals within the material. It can automatically, accurately, and rapidly discharge materials with metals, such as stainless steel, iron, copper, aluminum, lead, tin, etc. Adopt a pneumatic discharge system featuring compact size and accurate discharging, which can detect the minor metal diameter of 0.5 millimeters. The hourly throughput of this model is 600 to 3000 liters, which is only applicable to screening materials containing a few metals. After powering on, the indicator turns green, and the test button is pressed to check whether the distributing plate works correctly. Under normal conditions, when feeding the system, the materials will be directly discharged to the target place through the discharge port for regular production. After the metal separator coil detects the metal impurities within the materials, it will send a signal to start the valve and drive the distributing plate to discharge the material containing metal impurities. The metal detecting separator can be directly mounted on the injection molding machine or extruder, which can better protect the screw from being damaged by metal impurities. Meanwhile, the level sensor should be installed inside the storage hopper to prevent material from blocking the detection channel and affecting its detection effect.